So I don't know if you guys have this same issue, but I feel like every time that I'm about to start talking on camera, just like this, I know exactly what I'm gonna say, and I'm putting it all together in my head, and then I hit record, and then I don't know where it all goes. Now we're gonna make some sweet background loops using this Saber spiritually and awesome looking graphics okay, I don't like this. So I'm pretty pumped about this too. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. So today I have a little help with a friend of mine, Nathan. He's from Mina Studios. What do you do over on your channel?
Well, I am what you would call a professional cheapskate. So on Mina Studio, basically I just talk about budget ways to get worship done and to get church tech things done, you know, video, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, so make sure to go check out his channel. He's helping me out today because I'm terrible on camera sometimes and I don't know what I'm about to say, so we're putting together a budget teleprompter. So we're going to Dollar Tree, and I don't know what we're doing, but we're getting all the pieces and then we're gonna put it together. So yeah, here we go.
Woohoo! The dollar store, about to get our supplies for our teleprompter. All you're gonna need is like $4, so let's go get some stuff.
So we needed to grab just a couple things. We needed to grab a black binder, and luckily we found the last one there, so we grabbed it. We also needed to find glass picture frames. They seem to only have plastic lying around, but luckily we found one glass picture frame. The last couple things we need are binder clips and electrical tape, but we already had some of that.
Wanna know how janky my car is? Look at the speedometer.
You have no idea how fast we're going? So one thing to keep in mind when you're making this teleprompter is you're going to need some sort of screen. This might work for like an iPad, and you can probably use your phone, right? You could, but it's a pretty small screen, so you don't want to be too far away from it. So you're going to need something like an iPad or a tablet of some sort. Alright, so now that we have our essentials from Dollar Tree, our binder clips, our glass frame, our black binder, we got some electrical tape, and what is this?
That's a piece of a wire hanger bent to hold it up. You can use a pencil, you can use all kinds of stuff. I'll show you that later. Alright, so it's really simple. We just need to get our glass out without cutting it. Of course, it's always fun to just throw your trash on the floor just like that. That's always great. We love to do that. All we need here is the glass.
So you're telling me we don't need the stock photo of the flower?
Well, I will be putting that on my fridge.
Okay,
just for fun.
Good. That's good.
Looks pretty clear. I think it's good.
Yeah, I can see through it.
Yeah, that's good. Next thing we gotta do is rip this middle part out of our binder. The whole thingies, is there a word for this?
The clipper?
The hafobulator is what it's called, I believe. You're gonna break your binder, but that's okay. Hey! Now we just have a big black cardboard vinyl folding piece. So we're gonna take our binder. We just need to insert this piece of glass right there. So how I'm gonna do that is I just wanna kind of put marks under the glass, probably about 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch in, about as far as I can get my blade is good. And when I cut this, I want to make sure I have some overlap because that's what will hold the glass in the binder.
So you're just making marks for...
Right now I'm just making marks where to cut.
Okay.
And now, well, we cut. If you want, you can get a beautiful, pretty pink ruler from my elementary school. And as you're doing this, you don't want to go too far past your marks when you cut because we need those corners intact to hold in our glass. Not that I've ever made that mistake before, and that's how I know not to do that. But don't cut on your table, people.
That's not good. These things are not... Oh, dear. Yeah, that's... He went all the way through. Well, and that's the joys of DIY. And that's why we make the mistakes first, so you don't have to. You're welcome.
Cutting that. What a novel idea.
Safety first, people.
Safety first. Insert a piece of glass inside of the vinyl. So you want to kind of tuck it into the vinyl here. There's no wonderful, easy way to do this. You just kind of got to go for it. There we go.
So we're just taping all the different edges just to make sure that glass stays in the binder.
All right, there we go.
Show the good people your magic tape work.
We have our beautiful window binder.
Perfect. So what's next?
So now, all we do is put on the binder clips and that little thing I showed you. Grab 4. We're just gonna put these on each corner of the binder, like so. And what these are for is to hold our binder open. And after you put all of your binder clips on, make sure it's not in front of the glass. After you put all your binder clips on, you can hold it open with whatever you like, honestly. I made this little doodle Mickey.
So how'd you make that?
Out of
Just
a wire
with the-
hanger. Yep.
Okay.
Just cut a wire hanger, bend the 2 tips in right angles, and then these can go kind of inside the binder clips like so. And that holds
Okay,
up the teleprompter.
there we
You
go.
can make another one over there. If you really want to be cheap and you can't afford a wire hanger, honestly, you can use whatever you like. You can use a pencil, whatever. Anything will hold it open. The wire hanger is just a little more stable.
But the next thing you're gonna need is an iPad with some sort of teleprompter app, or what do you use?
Yep, this is a free teleprompter app which I am typing my great American novel into as we speak. So this is the teleprompter app here. It was called something in the App Store, something strange like teleprompter with mirroring or something like that. It's a really good app though. You can see you can add different scripts. Here's the one with gibberish I've added just to demonstrate. And you can see here it is here, and if we press this play, we'll start scrolling. You can see right now it's scrolling upside down because you can mirror it both horizontally and vertically depending on where it is and how it's set up.
And so you're gonna need some sort of black cloth or something to put behind that glass to be able to see the white text better.
So your camera goes right here, and then you are looking right where your speaker would be looking, and you can see the words going right in front of the camera lens.
Okay, so we have our teleprompter, but we're not gonna use it on the table, right? How are we gonna set this up with a camera?
Well, I just set the teleprompter on a music stand or stool or any flat surface to the right height in front of your tripod.
Okay, so this clearly works very well. And how much did this cost?
A grand total of $4.
$4. And there's much better solutions out there. You know, you can get a professional teleprompter for at least, what, $150?
A really cheap one, maybe.
Yeah, a really cheap one. And I mean, these can go up to thousands of dollars, but we made this one for $4, and as you can see, it worked perfectly fine. So make sure to check out what Nathan's doing over on his channel. He labels himself as professional cheapskate.
Professional cheapskate / worship leader.
So if you are a church on a budget, make sure to subscribe over at Mina Studios. I can't wait to see you guys next week, and we'll see you in the next video.